$48 hours later, pretty active. Day number 8 and our Turbo Cider version 2 is already starting to clear. Watch this space. Turbo Cider V2 on day 12. So I think this weekend, in just a few days, I will be bracking and flavouring this one. I'm looking forward to the next step. My new ball brush is awesome. Ta-da! It's Turbo Cider version 2, day 15, and I have several choices. Now, I was planning, and I think I'm going to do that, to move these to 3 separate vessels with a view to reproducing the 2 ciders that I did in the very first batch of cider, the sweet and carbonated version and the just carbonated version. And then I was going to use the third to do an apple pie flavoured cider. And the reason for the debate is I've just done the hydrometer reading. The hydrometer reading has come out at exactly 1. So that gives me an ABV of 5.25, which is a very respectable alcohol number. I did stop and think for a moment. You know, the original was 6%. Do I want to sort of add a little bit of sugar midway through, just to sort of get that to ferment and just bring the ABV up a little bit to that 6%. And I did a little bit of a calculation. So, you know, effectively from 5.25, I would have to have added 0.75 sort of ABV. And to be able to do that, I would have had to increase the gravity by 6 gravity points to 1.006. And that would require 82 grams of sugar. So I could add 82 grams of sugar in here and put it away. However, I do feel that 5.25 is a pretty respectable cider ABV, and I think I'm happy with that. So therefore, I'm not going to go with that plan. I did think about it seriously though, as you can tell. I'm not going to go with that plan, but I am going to rack this today. So, racking, here we come.